The WS766557666556 Plasma Cutter Kit is a high-quality aftermarket product from WeldingStop. Designed for use with the Miller Spectrum 375 X-treme Plasma Cutter ICE 25C and ICE 27C torches. The kit is not compatible with the Spectrum 375 X-treme Cutter with XT30 torch, but works perfectly with the ICE 27T torch on the same machine. Each package includes 10-76655 electrodes and 10-76656 tips, adding great value for the price of $41.99. The electrodes are made using hafnium, a material known for its durability and resistance, setting this kit apart from cheaper alternatives in the plasma market. The product has been well received by customers with a review score of 4.6 out of 5 from 127 reviews, indicating a high level of satisfaction among users. Despite being an aftermarket part, the kit is manufactured to high standards by WeldingStop, a reputable brand in the welding and soldering industry.